Hey there guys, it's John Waite here. Thanks for checking out my review. Now before we get started with this review, are you ready to revolutionize your internet marketing game? Imagine having a team dedicated to crafting your entire online marketing empire, guiding you until you hit that impressive milestone of earning $10,000 per month. If this ambitious journey excites you, then dive into the first link in the description to explore more. Before I do that, I want to tell you about the 4 awesome bonuses that I'm going to give you when you pick this product up through the link below this video. Bonus number 1, I'm going to show you how I get 250,000 brand new subscribers every single Friday. This isn't a method or a technique or anything like that. I literally show you where to pick them up, how to get them, and how to mail them with a self-hosted autoresponder that costs between $3 and $12 a month. Bonus number 2 is I'm going to show you my 2023 free traffic method that is getting me a ton of free traffic to my websites, blogs, and offers. Bonus number 3 is I'm going to give you 100% commission throughout the funnel to promote Empire Course, so that it's literally like having your own course without needing to do any of the setup or any of the support. And bonus number 4 is I'm going to show you how to rank all of your YouTube videos first for your selected keyword inside YouTube. So those are the 4 awesome bonuses that you're going to get. So with that said, let's jump straight over and see what this product is all about. But before we do that, don't forget, if you would like me and my team to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then you're going to want to check out the first link in the description. And if you want to pick up this product that I'm reviewing, then you want to check out the second link in the description, and I'll see you on the inside.
Percent of the marketers and businesses fail online because they just can't reach enough people and make enough sales. And it's not your mistake. There's too much noise, too much distraction, too much competition. There are too many different marketing channels. The attention span of your customers is decreasing, and it's becoming increasingly difficult to reach them. For so long, email marketing was the best and most personal way to reach out and convert your customers. It still is, but the results are a fraction of what they used to be. Good luck if you get more than 5 to 10% open rates anymore. The email autoresponders just don't care about marketers like us anymore. They ban us, they restrict us, and limit us in our reach. You need a better, faster way to reach and engage with customers at scale without breaking the bank. Keep watching this video till the end, and I'll show you how you can get up to 95% open rates and 10 times your traffic and sales without getting banned, blocked, or restricted, even if you have no list. But first things first, today you can no longer rely on just email marketing as your only strategy. You need to leverage other platforms, and the closest to email is SMS and WhatsApp. Because just like email, SMS and WhatsApp are direct channels to your target audience. They're proven to be the fastest, most engaging forms of communication that get your message through and actually convert to sales. 1. WhatsApp has over 2.24 billion users, which is bigger than Facebook and Instagram. 2. 95% of messages sent via SMS and WhatsApp are seen by its recipients, whereas only 5 to 10% of emails are even open for most marketers. 3. Sending promotional messages through WhatsApp increases conversion rates by 200 to 300%. 4. SMS and WhatsApp is the most used apps for customer service and engagement. 5. The average response time of inquiries sent via SMS is around 90 seconds, while emails takes up to 10 minutes. Clearly, getting on board with SMS and WhatsApp is no longer an option. It's a must. But here's the problem. Running campaigns on 3 different channels comes with its own set of challenges. I miserably failed trying it. There's too much work involved. It's a nightmare to manage multiple campaigns at once from different dashboards. Then you need to manually write emails, SMS, and WhatsApp messages in order to send the right message at the right time. Not just that, you end up paying hundreds of dollars every month in fees to multiple service providers. It drains all your energy and resources with no guarantee of success. What if I tell you, we found a secret way to leverage the combined power of email, SMS, and WhatsApp, and 10 times your reach, traffic, and sales, all from one single dashboard. And that too without writing, without getting stuck, without getting banned, without any monthly fee. This is the same secret system I and many of my clients use on a daily basis to 10 times our reach, traffic, and sales. Only dumb people are still relying on outdated methods and are stuck in their cold, dead, and boring subscribers. Today I'm going to show you how to unlock the power of AI-powered, multi-channel autoresponder and dominate your market with unlimited reach across email, SMS, and WhatsApp, all from a single dashboard. Hi, my name is Ram Rawat, and I'm a marketing nerd that loves to solve complicated problems, especially for online marketers. And I'm super grateful to be able to help over 50,000 marketers worldwide succeed with my training, strategies, and softwares, which in turn has generated me over $2 million in sales in the last 4 years. Just a year back, things were getting difficult for me. I was generating $500 to $1,000 a day in affiliate commissions, sales, and consulting fees by just sending a few emails to my list. But then I saw a drastic decline in my business. My delivery rates, open rates, and click rates were all down drastically. Out of nowhere, my autoresponder banned me. I was furious. I thought, how could this happen to me? Even after paying thousands of dollars every month, I had a huge list and creating many campaigns. My autoresponder provider banned me, and I was devastated. I was on the verge of losing everything. A WhatsApp message from Domino's and my love for pizza changed everything for me. I got a WhatsApp message from Domino's Pizza offering me a 50% discount on my favorite pizza. That's when it hit me like a lightning bolt. I could see why they were using WhatsApp as their primary communication channel. Fast, personal, engaging. Not just that, I realized they also sent me emails, SMS, and also called me to follow up. Even if I missed their WhatsApp message, I was sure to get the message in one of my other channels. When I looked around, it was not just Domino's. Apple, Amazon, Starbucks, Nike, Walmart, they were all using a combination of channels like email, SMS, and WhatsApp to get maximum reach and engagement. I had to know if I could use this same power to reach out to my subscribers and customers. I bought 3 different autoresponders, write 3 different messages, set up 3 different campaigns, and it was a tedious task. For a week, I kept repeating the same thing over and over again. The good thing was, I was making more money, but the bad thing is, it was taking up all my time and energy. That's when I decided enough is enough. Luckily, all the ChatGPT 3 and 4 hype gave me the breakthrough I needed. It solved my second biggest problem, writing emails and texts. I called up my development team and we got to work. After months of hard work and dedication, finally we launched an AI-powered multi-channel autoresponder. It was a game changer for me and my business. I was back driving thousands of clicks every single day, generating me more sales and commissions than ever. $500 days, $1,000 days, and $2,000 days. I was getting them all. And the best part, all this happened with 0 writing and 0 extra energy. That's why I'm so excited to introduce you to my latest product, AI SmartReach. You can now dominate your market with unlimited reach across email, SMS, and WhatsApp, all from a single dashboard. Plus, our intelligent AI will write all your emails, SMS messages, WhatsApp messages in seconds without having to manually write them yourself. Don't be stuck with the same outdated methods of cold, dead, and boring subscribers. Unlock the power of AI-powered multi-channel autoresponder and get the leads, sales, and commissions you deserve. Create, schedule, and broadcast unlimited messages across multi-channels and start dominating your market in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Upload your existing list or collect leads using our 3-in-1 auto opt-in tech for email, SMS, WhatsApp. Step 2. Use our ChatGPT-Powered algorithm to write unique, high-converting sales-getting messages and emails in just seconds. Step 3. Broadcast our messages and emails across all channels instantly with a single click. Skyrocket your profits and grow your business 24/7. Why AI SmartReach? Here's the major benefits you will get from it. 1. Dominate your market and get up to 95% open rates across all channels. Never worry about low open rates, low clicks, low sales ever again. 2. Be one of the first to use this ChatGPT-powered autoresponder and achieve success faster than anyone else. Easily 10 times your reach and sales without any manual work. 3. Automate and schedule unlimited messages across email, SMS, and WhatsApp from a single dashboard in seconds. Write unique and high-converting messages in seconds without having to manually write them yourself. 4. Collect leads using our 3-in-1 auto opt-in tech for email, SMS, and WhatsApp with 0 manual work. You don't need to create different campaigns for each platform. 5. Broadcast your messages and emails across all channels instantly with a single click. 6. Save thousands of dollars on monthly autoresponders. Just pay once and use for a lifetime. 7. Save tons of time on writing emails, managing different dashboards, and tracking results. 8. It's super simple and easy to use. You don't need any kind of technical skills or coding knowledge. Not just that, we are constantly adding new features to this software, so you'll always get the latest and best version that comes out. So, what's the price? Imagine spending thousands of dollars every single month on monthly autoresponders, copywriters, and marketing tools, and still not getting the results you want. With AI SmartReach, you get everything you need to dominate your market under one dashboard at a fraction of the cost. Instead of paying $197 per month, you'll get lifetime access to AI SmartReach for just a one-time investment. No monthly fees, no hidden costs, just a tiny one-time investment to unlock the power of multi-channel marketing and skyrocketing your profits. So, how can we afford to sell it for such a low one-time price? Because this is a limited time offer, after the launch, we'll be increasing the price to match other video platforms, i.e., we'll turn into a monthly subscription model. We need lots of resources to run this business, and we need to make sure we can continue to make it available for all of you. And this way, we'll be able to support our operations more effectively, have enough resources for new features, and develop the platform further. Remember, the low one-time price will never be offered again. You'll lose out big if you don't grab this deal now. Now, if you're skeptical regarding your investment with us, you should know that you're covered by our 100% money-back guarantee, which basically means that if you're not completely satisfied with your purchase within 30 days of buying AI SmartReach, we will refund 100% of your money, no questions asked. Don't let this opportunity pass you by, or you will regret it later. AI SmartReach is the best, fastest, and easiest way to generate high-quality buyer traffic with minimum effort and no risk. If you don't take action, you know things will stay the same. You'll still waste time and money on products that don't work. You'll be stuck hoping for a solution, hoping to finally make some money online. So don't let that happen to you. Don't regret getting the AI SmartReach at a higher price. Or worse, don't regret it when it's off the market. Get your copy now.